Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2008 Toyota Camry, stock number 6485. This ran from the 6th 2006 to the 11th 2011. It has a 2AZFE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2AZFE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door 2 dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. And front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,